welcome back to Baking with Miss Smiles. I hope you're all having fun at home and continuing to wash your hands. Today we're making one of my favorite cookies. It's super easy and I like it because you can make it gluten-free and dairy-free easily. So here we are, we're making chocolate peanut butter drop cookies. So what you need is you need oatmeal, peanut butter, sugar, cocoa powder, milk, vanilla, and some butter. Now today I'm using vegan butter and I'm using almond milk to make it dairy-free. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get a saucepan out and we're going to put 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That's 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And our next ingredient is 2 cups of sugar. So we're going to put that into here also. One. 2. Our next ingredient is half a cup of milk. So give it a little shake. And we're going to use half a cup. Right in there. And our last ingredient for this portion of it is half a cup of butter. I've already put it into this container. So we're going to give this a little stir, just to mix it around a bit. And these are no-bake cookies, but what we need to do is we need to boil this for 1 minute first before we can make the cookies. So let's head over to the oven. Now you're going to want to slowly bring this to a rapid boil. You don't want to put it right up on high because this has a tendency to burn on the bottom. So let's put it at about 7. And you're going to be stirring this while everything melts together. This is a little bit of patience here. It's going to take a few minutes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes later and it's starting to want to come to a boil. You can hear it. So we're just going to continue to gently stir it. Okay, so we're pretty much at the boiling point. It's been roughly 4 minutes. So I'll show you what you want to look for. Do you see all those bubbles there? That means she's coming to a rapid boil. So we want to put our timer on for exactly 1 minute. And we're going to want to continue to stir while this minute is up. And there's the timer for 1 minute, so we're going to turn that off and this off, and we're going to take it back over to the counter. So our next step is we're going to add half a cup of peanut butter. So I'm going to put that right into the boiling water or boiling mixture, and we're going to melt that. Be very careful because this was boiling, so it's very, very hot. It's okay if it's not completely melted. I'm going to add that mixture to the 3 cups of oatmeal I've already put into here. Now, you can do this by hand. I just find it's easier to do it with the mixture. So we're going to add this right into here. Put the whole thing in. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix this up. It doesn't take much. So after this is all mixed up, you're going to want to let this sit for about a minute, just to let it cool down a bit, and then I'm going to show you how to drop the cookies. So I let the mixture cool down just a tiny bit, about a minute or two. This is what it should look like. I have 2 pans set up. This is what I like to drop my cookies on, just because it's easier cleanup. You can drop it onto wax paper or parchment paper or anything like that. I've done it on tin foil. Whatever you have works. So the easiest way to drop it, I find, is to use this tiny little scoop. It's the one I use for all my cookies. It makes them all pretty much even. So all you need to do is take whatever you're scooping with, take a bit of the cookie, and drop her down. And that's all the cookies. They're really that easy. One of my favorite things about these cookies is, since there's no raw eggs and no raw flour, you can safely lick out the bowl. And that's everything for today. I hope you guys are having fun and staying safe, and I miss you all very much. And until next time.